Today marks the start of historic proceedings at the International Court of Justice. The entirety of Israel's colonial occupation regime is on trial today. Not just the apartheid, colonization and persecution by which it is brutally imposing it on the Palestinian people. An unprecedented number of countries are participating in the proceedings, taking a stand for justice and peace. This is a clear reflection of the global concerns and calls to bring an end to this abhorrent illegal regime immediately and unconditionally. We believe the court will agree with the comprehensive and compelling legal arguments before it. The existence of this illegal colonial occupation and apartheid regime is a source of all its ills our people are suffering. Any formula that does not deal with that root cause is planting the seeds for more tragedy and aiding Israel in keeping the Palestinian people captive to its colonial agenda and illegal actions. The deliberations today are long overdue. For the Palestinian people, no less than their survival and future are at stake as they endure Israel's genocidal war on Gaza, carried out with the cruelty that shocks the conscience and with total impunity, in grave breach of international law and flagrant violation of the ICJ provisional measures order in the case brought by South Africa against Israel under the Genocide Convention. Yet, we all know that well before today, the vast extent of Israel's crimes against the Palestinian people have been catalogued by the UN and countless international organizations. Israel cannot be allowed to maintain its occupation, and its illicit plans to end Palestinian existence must be stopped. If the court declares this occupation illegal, as we expect, it will be incumbent upon states to take action pursuant to the court's ruling. This will help bring the occupation to an immediate, unconditional and total end, and enable the Palestinian people to realize their inalienable right to self-determination and national independence in their own state alongside an Israel that is compelled to finally define its borders in compliance with international law. This ruling could help both Palestinians and Israelis to finally live side by side in peace, mutual security and dignity. Justice must rule. We will remain tireless and determined in its pursuit. Palestine and the Palestinian people are not alone in this march for justice. The proceedings that started today clearly show that. There is no justification or excuse for Israeli colonization, apartheid and persecution of the Palestinian people. They threaten and violate our common humanity and must end